This is a 90 centimeters Terracotta Macrame Headboard, a custom order for one of my lovely clients. Before I send it to its new home, I wanted to capture its beauty. Today, I'm stepping into the shoes of a customer receiving this piece for the first time. Let's see how we can bring it to life. First, you will need a wooden rod or a decorative rail. Simply slide the rod through these hand-woven loops at the top. It is designed to be effortless, fitting perfectly into your cozy nook. After hanging it up, give the fringe a little love. The cotton cords may be slightly ruffled from the box, so take a moment, gently smooth them out with your fingers. This small ritual helps the tassels fall gracefully and brings out the soul of the piece. And there it is, a touch of rustic warmth for the bedroom. Now it is ready to travel across the miles to its forever home.